In this video, I will show you how to create TikTok ads account. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser, come across to google.com, and into the Google search, you just want to go ahead and search for TikTok for Business. So what you need to do is actually click onto the first result that comes up, so TikTok for Business, and that's going to take you across to a website like this. Now from here you should see a pink Get Started button. There's also a button up here in the top right hand corner which says Start Now, so you want to click onto any of these to get started with your account. The first thing it's going to ask for is to enter an email address and password. And once you've done that, make sure to tick the box to agree to the terms of service. And I've already read through this, but you can read through that if you want to. And there's an optional box down here to subscribe to emails with news, events, and information from TikTok for Business and TikTok Shop. So that's optional. You can untick this if you want, but once that's done, just come and click the pink continue button. So now it's probably going to ask you to do a quick captcha, like a human verification. So what you want to do is do that next. And once that's done, what's going to happen is a code is going to be sent to your email address. So you just want to log into your email and grab that code. So once you've done that, there's a couple of details you're going to want to fill out. So that's going to be your industry, business name, and a mobile phone number. What I've done for the business name, I've just gone ahead and called this Test Business for the purpose of this tutorial, but for yourself, you can actually want to put your business name and fill out your details. Now, once that's done, come down and take the box to agree to the commercial terms service, advertising terms, and payment terms. I've already read through this, but again, you can read through that if you want to. And once you've done that, you come down and press the pink Get Started button. So what's now going to happen, it's going to ask you to set up your billing information. It's going to ask for your VAT number, so this is part of your tax information. This is completely optional, you don't have to do this. I believe you can add this at a later date. And the same for the company registration number. As you can see, it's optional. I would recommend doing this now, but if you didn't want to do this just yet, you should be able to add that later on. Once that's done, you can choose your payment method, whether you want to do automatic payments or manual payment. And once you've done that, just go ahead and press the pink Go to Ads Manager button. So what it's now going to do is take you to a screen like this, and it's going to say, how would you like to create your ads today? There's two versions. You've got a basic version, which is a more simplified version of creating ads, or you can go for the advanced version, which is all the advanced features and tools for any advertising objective. Of course, this is all subjective to your time and needs. For this example, I'm just going to go ahead and select basic, which is a much simpler and faster way to create ads. Next, what it's going to do is take you through some steps. So as you can see, it says what's your advertising goal. So this is optional at this point. This is actually going through creating the ads itself. But if we come up to the top left hand corner, as you can see, we've got the dashboard option here. So if we click onto dashboard, and this is actually going to take us to our TikTok ads manager. So as you can see, our account is now created, and from here we can do things like set up our payment details, and you've got the create your first ad option from here, which you can use to go ahead and start creating your ads. So that is a quick tutorial on how to create a TikTok ads account. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.